Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math problem. 2 raised to power s plus 2 raised to power 3 to the power of x is equal to 10. Can you solve this? I want you to give your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 2 raised to power s plus 2 raised to power 3 to the power of s is equal to 10. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m. This is equal to a raised to power mn. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power s raised to power 3 is equal to 10. Now let 2 raised to power s is equal to a. Then we have a plus a raised to power 3 is equal to 10. This is a plus a raised to power 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. 10 is equal to 8 plus 2. And this is equal to 2 raised to power 3 plus 2. Now we have a plus a raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Let's open the bracket with this minus. We have a plus a raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's pair this and this together, then this and this together. We have a raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 bracket, then plus this a minus 2 bracket is equal to 0. Now take note of this, that if you have s raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is equal to s minus y bracket s square plus sy plus y square, where x is equal to a and y is equal to 2. Then we have a minus 2 bracket, then this is a square plus 2 multiplied by a plus 2 square, then plus this a minus 2 is equal to 0. You can see that a minus 2 is common here and is common here. Let's bring it out. We have a minus 2 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this a minus 2, we have a square plus 2a plus 2 square, that is 4. Then plus, if you divide this by a minus 2, we have 1 is equal to 0. Here we have a minus 2 bracket. This is a square plus 2a plus 5 is equal to 0. Now here, there are two cases. The first case is a minus 2 is equal to 0. And the second case is a square plus 2a plus 5 is equal to 0. Now from here, a is equal to 2. But 2 raised to power s is equal to a. Then 2 raised to power s is equal to 2 raised to power 1. Then we have the same base 2, s is equal to 1. This is the value of s. Then from here, we have a squared plus 2a plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as a in this case is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 5. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square, that is 4, minus 4 times 1 times 5, that is 20, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20, that is minus 16 over 2. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 16 can be written as square root of 16 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Then A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is equal to I square root of 16, that is 4 over 2. Now, A is equal to minus 2 over 2 plus or minus 4i over 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. Then A is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2i. And as you can see, these are other value of A, which is also in complex form and it is less than 0. Then 2 raised to power s cannot be equal to s minus 1 plus or minus 2i. Therefore, the only root we have here is s is equal to 1, which is the final answer. We can check to confirm if this our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 2 raised to power s plus 2 raised to power 3 to the power of s is equal to 10. Now, if s is 1, we have 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power 3 to the power of 1 must be equal to 10. Then this is 2 plus 2 raised to power 3 to the power of 1, that is 8, must be equal to 10. Now, 2 plus 8, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.